Hello. In this video, we will learn how to create donut charts in Excel.
Let's look at creating a donut chart for this company, which has 3 products. And we want to create a donut chart like this for the 2024 sales. We'll first select the data for 2024. Go to Insert. Then we go for donut chart from here. I will select the chart and change the font to Arial and size 9. And I will format chart area, no fill, no line for the border. Let's set the horizontal axis labels like this. So I will right click, go to select data, and under horizontal axis labels we got 1, 2, 3 at the moment like this. So let's change that. I go to edit and I will select from here and select these 3 products and say OK. And I will select this, go to format legend, and at the moment it's at the bottom. I want it on the right, so I will select right and adjust it to the right like this. I'll add the chart title. I'll just copy from here and paste it there. Let's change the chart colors. So this one I will put fill a dark blue, and this one a lighter blue, and this one I'll put a gray color. Oh, I need to change the donut hole size. So what I'll do is I will click on this, go to format data series, and the donut hole size I will change it to 50. And then I need to add the labels. So I'll click on this, right click, add data labels, and add data labels. So now the data labels are inside. I will select those and I'll change the font color to white and make it bold. So that's my donut chart made and formatted.
Thanks for watching.